want us to get on to the hamburgers, because I think they're a very big part of every family's menus, aren't they?
Yes. Can you pass them over to me? You've got them your size.
So I have. I've forgotten.
To make a good team. Yes. Now, I began to think I ought to be making hamburgers since the price of meat has gone up. And I've evolved, I think, a very nice, quick recipe. Mm-hmm. And I'm using, for this time, best quality mince, but I'm not using too much of it. I'm using chuck mince. Now, can you see that is really red? So obviously there's less fat in it, and it's really rather better mince.
And you've got sausage meat to go with it.
Yes. I found that it made the best combination, and it gives a really nice flavour. Mm-hmm. So put the mince. I've snipped the bottom of the sausage meat off.
Gosh, squelching out, yeah.
There we are. So we've got half a pound of mince chuck, half a pound of sausage meat, and then 1 onion. There we are. And these need to be mashed together. I put a little tiny bit of nutmeg in here. Just helps to give a flavour. And salt. Do you remember I was saying a pound? To a pound of meat, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon, because the sausage meat is already seasoned. Mm-hmm. There we are.
I think we'll sort of presume that you've mixed all that up, Mary, if we can for now.
Yes, it's rather a boring job just rolling it. You just need to roll it into balls. Now that would be 8 balls to the pound, so you'd get 8 2-ounce burgers, just as if you were buying them.
Can we have a look at what they look like, the ones you've cooked over here?
Yes.
Because they look so appetising.
These are ones that have already been rolled out. Now these are the plain ones that I've just cooked, the 2-ounce ones, and cooked under a hot grill for about 3.5 minutes. Mm-hmm. There's one with fried egg on, Holstein. There's one with cheese, grated cheese. Now those were both cooked, and then the cheese and egg put on afterwards. And the paprika made it brown quicker. And then
there you've got your bread rolls, and you just stick them in and eat them.
There we are.
And if you want onions or ketchup, whatever, you can use it.
That's right.
Well, in the meantime, goodbye and see you next time, I hope.